Do the following daily for 1 week. Position yourself as shown with your lower back slightly rounded to spread apart the lumbar vertebrae. Place the infrared heat lamp directly over your lower back about 9 inches from the surface of your skin. Infrared heat penetrates beyond the skin and increases blood flow to tissues and nerves, thereby increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery, which aids in healing and reduces any inflammation. Do it for 10 minutes. Next, lie on your stomach and place the infrared lamp heads directly over your buttocks as shown, but remove clothing to expose skin. Do for another 10 minutes.